it's very obvious that your brain actually changes with every flicker of experience. Right now, your brain is changing as a result of this conversation, and the brain of all the people who are watching us is changing. Not only is the brain changing, not only are the neural networks changing, but the genes are getting active, the ones that are trying to comprehend this conversation in the brain. So now we know, there are three parts to our brain, which we talk about: the instinctive brain, the emotional brain, the intellectual brain. It's much more than that, by the way. The instinctive brain is there for your survival, the emotional brain is there for your relationships, and the intellectual brain is there to figure the mystery of our existence. The key thing, though, is that we are not our brains. We are the users of our brains. Our minds influence the activity of the brain, which then, of course, influences everything: perception, cognition, thoughts and feelings, emotions, personal relationships, social interactions, and the environment. They're all a projection of you. Neuroimaging has now allowed us to track every thought in your brain. There's not a single thought that you have that doesn't have a brain representation. With fMRIs, or functional magnetic resonance scans, we can track it. Okay, so we can see which neural networks are activated, and we can also guess what neurochemicals are activated. So we know, for example, that when you're feeling joy, or when you're feeling happy, or when you have self-esteem, or when you experience equanimity, or love, or compassion, there are very specific parts of your brain that get activated, but there are also very specific neurochemicals that are released, like oxytocin, which is the bonding hormone, like dopamine, which is an antidepressant, serotonin. Antidepressants are serotonin uptake inhibitors. Okay, so that means they increase serotonin, but you increase serotonin every time you feel happy, or you experience joy, or love, or compassion. So serotonin, dopamine, opiates, oxytocin, these are not only neurochemicals that enhance self-esteem and the experience of happiness or whatever, but they're immunomodulators. They modulate the activity of your immune system and fine-tune it. Not increase it or decrease it, fine-tune it, because an over-aggressive immune system would result in allergies and autoimmune illnesses and things like that. An under-aggressive, under-responsive immune system might lead you to experience increased susceptibility to infections, even some types of cancer. What you need is not an over-responsive or under-responsive immune system, but a finely tuned in one. And that's what those neuropeptides do.